hear your favorite movies, music, and games in a whole new way with the HEOS HomeCinema HS2 soundbar system. Backed by 100 years of Denon sound engineering, the HEOS HomeCinema takes home theater sound to incredible new heights. With advanced DSP processing and bi-amplified midwoofers and tweeters, the HomeCinema HS2 soundbar simulates 5.1 surround sound. The included subwoofer adds impressive dimension and full impact bass. Connect to any brand of TV up to 4K and control the soundbar with your existing remote. The advanced 4K HDMI section supports the latest video formats. Enjoy the best in brightness, contrast, clarity, and color in your favorite movies and shows. Control the HomeCinema HS2 hands-free with your voice and Amazon Alexa. Ask Alexa to play a song, switch inputs, skip to the next track, and more. Also works with Apple's Siri and AirPlay 2 for expanded voice control options. Play tracks from your favorite music services. Stream music easily with HEOS, Bluetooth, and AirPlay 2, Apple's latest Wi-Fi audio innovation that lets you hear clear, elevated sound. Group the HomeCinema HS2 with any other HEOS device in the HEOS app to create a multi-room music system. Play the same track in every room or have individual streams per zone. Download the HEOS app, follow the simple prompts, and you're done. Setup is fast and easy with all cables included. The HEOS HomeCinema HS2 soundbar system. Expand your home theater sound.
Introducing a new dimension in premium cinema-inspired surround sound. The VIZIO home theater sound system with Dolby Atmos. Revolutionary upward-firing speakers from VIZIO that leverage the latest advances in breakthrough Dolby sound technology to generate extraordinarily immersive audio that moves all around you with astonishing realism. The VIZIO home theater sound system elevates your entertainment to new heights with dedicated upward-firing speakers built into the main soundbar, as well as the rear speakers. These innovative multi-directional speakers project a powerful dome of dynamic sound that envelops you from every direction, even from above. Add in VIZIO's newly redesigned wireless subwoofer for even greater room-shaking depth, and you'll experience a new standard in cinema-inspired surround sound that's breathtakingly immersive. The VIZIO home theater sound system is Dolby Vision compatible and supports 4K, HDR10, and other HDR standard content. Chromecast is also built in. Cast your favorite music and podcasts from Chromecast-enabled apps on your phone to any other speaker or soundbar in the house that supports Chromecast. And with VIZIO SmartCast or Google Home apps, you can easily manage and control soundbars and speakers. And thanks to built-in voice support for Google Assistant, you can control the VIZIO home theater sound system using just your voice. Bring your home theater entertainment to life like never before with stunningly immersive sound that flows above and around you and takes you deeper inside the action. The VIZIO home theater sound system. Welcome to a new dimension of sound.
We were so fortunate to have Sony Electronics reach out to us to collaborate and listen to their sound bars and listening to how we can recreate that sound in the home environment.
As a technologist and working with technology companies like Sony Electronics, what's really important is that the technology is used by artists to create story.
We noticed that Dolby have same vision, and our mutual goal is to bring that experience into a small slim soundbar.
To the credit of Sony Electronics and their soundbars, that you can get this really great sweet spot that's immersive both around you and above you.
The new Atmos format, it makes you have a 360-degree sound experience that we've never been able to have before in any cinematic environment.
To bring the Dolby Atmos experience to more wider range of people, we Sony have been developing the new technology, how we can make that happen. The vertical surround engine is new unique signal processing technology that can bring surround sound safe, even from front-facing speakers.
But what's really critical and important to consumers is that emotional reaction they get to that Atmos soundtrack when they listen to it at home.
My reactions, I'm just amazed. It matched how we would mix a film and placed it in a home environment.
It was, quite honestly, the best experience I've ever heard from 3 front drive amp speakers. And it's only going to get better as things like the Sony Soundbars are released and create that experience, because at the end of the day, it's not about technology, it's about moving consumers.
Samsung home entertainment experience and relentless innovative drive, combined with Harman Kardon's 65+ years of acoustic design expertise, bring you the ultimate home theater sound. Samsung Soundbar Q90R. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Three front plus 2 side firing channels. Deep bass provided by a dedicated woofer. 2 wireless rear sound speaker kits with 2 up-firing channels. And 2 additional front up-firing channels maximize the surround sound effect. All these support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X sound formats, providing a richer, more cinematic surround sound experience at home. The evolution of soundbar technology didn't just stop at audio development. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Wireless TV connection via Wi-Fi avoids the clutter of unnecessary wires for a clean, sophisticated look that's simple to operate. One remote for both your TV and soundbar at the same time. Game Mode Pro automatically activates when your game console is turned on. Up-firing speakers provide rich, optimized 3D sound for more exciting, immersive gameplay on your QLED. Adaptive sound automatically adjusts to optimal sound settings for sports, movies, and all other types of content you watch on your QLED. And when you need to watch TV quietly at low volume, dialogue can still be heard clearly.
Thomas, you're on your own, don't die!
Seamless HDR 10+ experience in immersive picture quality and rich, captivating sound for a truly next-generation viewing experience. Immersive sound, optimized for QLED. Samsung Soundbar Q90R.